We from the SRT School of Nursing Enrolled Nursing Program are here to provide health checks to the community for this Murihiku Kaumātua Health Day. To take away from what we're providing is just a basic knowledge about where they are with their health levels, what they need to be doing, do they need to be adding something, removing anything, moving a little bit more, perhaps making sure that they're taking regular medication regularly.
My talk was about the Southern Healthcare Home's new model. It's a new model of care for primary healthcare here in Invercargill, and the GPs are looking at opportunities to change some of the way they're delivering healthcare to better improve access for patients.
So Kia kaha chemist started back in April after some funding from Te Pūtahitanga. I go around marae and community centres just giving educational talk either on medicines or any general health and well-being. Today hopefully just the simple tips like drinking enough water, eating lots of fruits and veggies, and also like quite big on like resistance training for the elders just because of its effects on bone strength.
I know it's Kaumātua health hui, but I think one of the more important things is getting our Kaumātua out and getting them all together.